from where?
Chicago.
Chicago?
Use this music to recap.
Okay, guys, so I have been doing a terrible job in vlogging this trip, but as a recap, let me see. What all did we do yesterday?
Yesterday.
We got there super early.
I know
here
we went to check in early. Got to the Park Central.
We had brunch yesterday at Amy Ruth.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all, Amy Ruth's
brunch.
is so good in Harlem. It's off the chain.
Yeah.
So good.
They play black music.
Right.
They black people on the walls.
All the
They give you like double, triple portions of food.
They serve you
eat
like
it
your
for, like,
grandma
2
served
days.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah. With all that food.
Yeah.
That was good. Yeah, we had
God is good.
Then went to
Reverend.
Yeah.
After that,
Oh, we went to the Met.
we went to the Met.
The messed up.
Yeah, I have video that I will include in here,
The
but
Met took some photos.
Yeah. We
Yeah.
got some good shots there. We were able to make it in the door.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, then they
like
treated
this.
us.
They treated our dishes.
They were
Okay.
Girl, I am.
Actually recording from the Met. Yeah, and then Trevor took us to.
Oh, then we went to
Oh,
Times
to
Square.
Times Square.
We got our tickets.
And that was
We
your
saw
first
Chicago.
time seeing Times Square.
Yes.
Yeah, well, that was
What
my
did you
first
think
time
of it?
seeing it. I liked it. Times Square is really nice. I can't wait to see it in the summertime, though.
Yeah.
That's gonna be really nice.
Yeah.
'Cause
It's so bright. Like, it's so many
Very
advertisements.
bright.
Right. You don't know
Yeah.
it's nice time.
Like,
I went to the
People-
Elf store. I didn't know that was in Times Square.
I didn't either. And
Bought
all the
some
stuff was
a
like
bunch of
$3.
stuff. Yeah,
so
it was
that
all real
lit.
cheap.
Just caught a lick.
Right.
You know, so we went by the Ambassador Theater to get tickets to see
Chicago.
Chicago.
Candy Burris is on it right now.
She did great.
Good.
She
At
did really
Mama
good.
with-
I was like, wow, she sounded amazing. The cast was just great. Like,
Yeah.
it was really good.
Yeah, I should go see it.
Go check it out. I think it's till like April or something. I don't know. Maybe. Something like that.
We went to Black
Tie.
We
Black
went
Tie.
to Soho.
Oh yeah, we went to
Soho.
Soho. And we ate at Black
Which
Tap.
is short for what? Is that
Oh, that's where.
Brooklyn? It's a Harlem, Soho. We need to go to Brooklyn. If
Yeah.
we can.
We went to Harlem. We went to Soho. Yeah. We need to go to Brooklyn.
Oh, then after we came back
We came back and took a nap.
Oh, well, we went to that cupcake place.
Yeah, what was the name of
Dominique.
the bakery?
Dominique Ozzel's Bakery.
Dominique Ozzel's.
Famous
It was
for the cronuts.
it was popping. People was
It
coming
was a
in
lot
there.
of people there.
Yeah.
Like left and right.
You have to pre-order them in order to get one.
Oh.
A cronut.
Okay.
You have the different flavor.
Did you
every month.
pre-order one?
I didn't get her cronut. I got her macaroons.
Okay.
I got stuff for my little sisters.
Okay. And then we got some wine.
Oh yeah,
Very
we got from
important.
next door. We got
Right.
some.
There's conveniently a liquor store next door.
And we came back to the hotel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take the best naps ever in these.
Yeah. And our
Lifts and Ubers.
faces were already beat, so we just had to
Yeah.
touch up our makeup and get ready
And I got a
for
retarded.
the fashion show.
With
Yeah.
Draya's mint swim.
Draya's mint swim fashion show was really nice.
Yeah.
But the whole like structure and how to get in,
it
and
was stressful.
you could tell that they weren't used
Like-
to
It was,
it.
yeah, it was her first show.
Oh, it was her first? I thought
Yeah,
she
it
had
was
one
her
before.
first one.
It's
Well, it's her
her
first
first
on
one
New York
on
Fashion
For
Week.
New Fashion Week. Okay.
Yeah.
Fashion Week.
She
Well,
looked,
that explains
she looked
it.
really nice.
But she looked
all
really
the models
nice.
looked really
I
nice.
think that the
Yeah.
show was
The show itself
very.
was well
I think they put all of their energy into that
The
and not
production of the
into
show.
like how people were
maintaining the
gonna
people
get
working the door and
Right.
and like when we got
The
in there,
logistics of it,
the
yeah.
logistics,
Yeah.
right?
yeah.
Which for next year, something to work on.
Right.
Right.
But other than that, really good. Once we
Yeah.
got our seats.
Oh yeah, we
So
saw.
Lala, Fabulous.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, Lala,
And
Fabulous,
King, what's his name?
Christian,
Christian.
and Justin.
Combs, which is
Justin.
Diddy's
A couple of
son.
Diddy's
Justin,
sons.
if you happen to find him.
Diddy's
Girl.
son.
She tried to shoot her shot
And
at Justin. Done with her.
They got some pizza.
Oh yeah, we
delivered.
saw.
Yeah, they
We saw.
ordered pizza.
Oh yeah, they did. They got pizza delivered to the fashion show. It was
Yeah.
kind
To
of
the
funny.
fashion show. It was funny.
It was
It was
funny, though.
hilarious. Fabulous was cracking up.
He
I
was.
recorded him cracking up, laughing. He like, I
Yeah.
can't believe you niggas say funny as hell.
Right.
Drizzy was also
Oh,
there.
shout
I
out,
really
bitch.
liked Drizzy,
Yeah,
so
we
it was
in.
nice seeing her.
Yeah, it's all
She's repping for
Chicago.
the whole team.
What you
Chicago it is. And then
What else do we see?
I think that's everybody we see
Yeah.
Yeah.
that we actually
That we
saw.
noticed.
So
Yeah.
it was like the Armageddon in there. There was people everywhere. So, and then these one set of dudes. I don't know who they were or what they were singing, but they came out of nowhere. Just
After
hopping
the
all
girl
over.
with
Oh
the,
yeah.
with the still people.
Yeah, I don't know who
Which
that girl
I'm not
was
afraid of
either.
still people anyway, but they were decent.
They were good.
She
They
was like
really rocking.
Haitian.
Yeah, she was Haitian.
African.
Yeah, but the dudes came out just smoking and doing some of everything.
Throwing
It just
blunts on the stage.
it went from being very classy to
Very ratchet.
what is going on in here.
Very thug life.
Right. I was like, oh, they bought the thugs out. Okay.
Oh, y'all thugging.
Right. Oh, y'all thugs. Y'all fucking thugging. Y'all smoking blunts. But
I'm gonna
yeah.
go shower, y'all.
Okay. Well, you make your exit. And
We had our dinner at Beauty and Essex.
oh yeah, we went to Beauty in Essex
Very
and
fun. It looks like a pawn shop when you first walk in.
it does.
And then you walk behind another door and it's really elegant. Very nice dinner.
Yeah, the food
And
was
fun.
really
And it was
good.
lit.
Yeah,
The
they
DJ
played a
was
lot of
popping.
hip hop, so
A lot
that
of
was
hip
good
hop.
too.
We had Future during the 3-course meal. That was the first.
That was nice. The Future and
Yeah.
all of everything.
That's about
So
it.
yeah, that's about it. It's now like
We've been in a lot of lips, getting around.
it's 2:46 p.m. and
AM, girl.
oh shit, 2:46 a.m. and tired. We're winding down and we're gonna go to bed. And yeah, I will talk to you all tomorrow. Yeah. Hello guys, so we are getting ready to head out to brunch. What's the name of the restaurant we went to?
Sons of Essex.
Sons of Essex, okay. Kind of sounds like where we went yesterday, Beauty of Essex, okay. It's like a hip hop type, brunch type situation.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like throwback hip hop. So it should be a tag brunch.
It's a move. Okay. Okay. What else do we have planned for the day?
That other fashion show that we never bought tickets for.
Oh yeah, we might be going to another fashion show. And I don't know what else we're doing. I guess we will play it by ear, but I will be taking you all with me.
Old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Hey! Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.
Can I see y'all fashions for my vlog? Let's get this runway going. Okay. What we got here? We got the fur up top. You better come, girl. You better. We got this green fur on this. Y'all don't see this.
And you see the fur? Get the fur. You know?
Girl, I got that fur. Let me get the shoes.
See these boots?
Did you see these boots?
You see these boots? Bam.
Okay. Cara sit down. Those her fashions. Those her fashions.
My fashion.
She got the black
But
dress.
you know I have the black like a killer. Black male. Black dress.
Come on with the black boots.
Black boots. Black suede choker to match this black suede dress. Just how we feeling tonight.
Right.
Night two. What night are we on? 2, 3.
Night three.
Night 3.
Last night.
Last night, New York Fashion Week.
Ashley, you gonna give me a model? Let's talk about these fashions.
Okay. Hot pink.
Yeah, and those are bomb. Look at them. Come on now. I will put that in.
My little glitter clutch to match.
Cute. Come on now. Looking like a chocolate Barbie. Y'all better. So we're in the mirror.
You need somebody to hold it.
It's okay. It's okay. So we are on our last night out. We're headed to one last fashion show. I don't know where it's at.
It's at Loomis Gallery.
Loomis Gallery.
An art gallery.
It's an art gallery. I'll try to take some video of us there. After that, we're going to the 40/40 Club. Because I don't know who we think we are, but that's where we're going. But yeah, New York has been amazing. I love New York. I can't wait to come back in the summertime. But yeah, right? Don't it feel like we gotta be here monthly?
We want to come, just come to dinner.
Right, like let's just come.
I need to go for a
Right.
It's so cheap.
The brunch we went to earlier was amazing, by the way. New York has this real turn-up vibe, and I'm here for it. Just cause.
I'm not staying tonight. I'm leaving after dinner.
I feel like all the places in Chicago need to take notes from New York, and they need to. I think as long as they play the playlist like they play in these restaurants, Chicago would be damn near #1. It'll be just as turned.
Because it's pretty much the same vibe.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, just wanted to chat with you all. I will see you all later. I don't think I'm ending the vlog here, but if I do, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, but I may be back.
Bombay Sapphire, who's upstairs, Hirosaki, Big Fun Films, DJ Bradley, who's been our entertainment for the night, Number 3 Magazine, Samsung, Victoria's Pink and Essential Water, and Fat Witch Brownies. I was doing well though. We got this. So please give our sponsors a hand. And definitely, not least, the man, the talent, Derek Gores. I also want to take a minute and thank my amazing team, whose very, very hard work was the reason why we're all here. We worked very hard to make sure that all of this was possible, and they definitely deserve the recognition. Elena, Gisela, Ivana, and Tim.